Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? What does Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. For some of you guys, it could not be your energy. So take only what fits in your story and leave the rest behind, okay? What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. And who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. That's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today. Let me see your energy for this reading. First, we have the Nine of Pentacles. This is the current situation. The challenge is the Five of Swords. We also have the Hangman. This is the spiritual lesson in this reading. The past situation is the Nine of Cups. We also have the Ten of Cups. This is the present energy. The future is the King of Swords. We also have the Page of Swords. This is your attitude in this reading. The Six of Swords. This is the outside influence. The Death is your hopes and fears. And the outcome is the Page of Wands. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Let me clarify your readings. Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. If this is not resonates to you, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? This is your current energy. The Nine of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. It could also be other sign or a group of people. I feel like you are very confident and you are also independent. You look good because you take good care of yourself and you are enjoying your freedom. You have a financial success and stability. It's because of your hard work. A self-made success. It could also be a legacy. It could also be that for some of you guys, you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Virgo. This person could be needs your support, especially financially. It could also be that this person is in your family. Could also be that this person is in the workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. If this is in your workplace, this person wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. Maybe you have a misunderstanding or grudges with this person. If this is in the workplace, or if this is your ex-friend. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person viewed you as a person who is very confident and independent, and you are enjoying your freedom. You have financial success and abundance as because of your self-made hard work. Could also be that this person only wants your money. Could also be that this person wants you to support them. This person is entitled with your success. I don't know who is this person in your life. It could also be that this person is your ex, or a group of people in your surroundings. For most of you, this is your energy. You are very independent. You are confident. You look good, and you feel good in your own skin. That's because you take good care of yourself. And you don't need other people to validate you. It's because you realize that you can work successfully alone without the help of other people. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the Five of Swords. This is the challenge in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Or you have an air sign in your birth chart. I feel like somebody here is feeling defeated because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. You manage to choose and pick your battles wisely. This person or group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex, or in, sorry, and the community, for instance, your neighbors. And since you manage to pick your battles wisely, you are no longer engaging your energy with this group of people. Maybe they are gossiping about you. It could also be that they are talking about your spirituality. If you are a spiritualist person, others of you, it could also be that they are slandering your name. They are spreading lies and rumors about you. But you don't care anymore because you choose and manage to pick your battles wisely. And now this group of people who slandered your name, who are gossiping and lying about you, they are feeling defeated because you don't care anymore. You are no longer engaging your energy. Others of you, the universe advise you to surrender. It could also be that you have something in your mind. This is, you are bothering. There is somebody or a group of people who are trying to put you in troubles or in a conflict. And you are advised to surrender this group of people to the Divine Most High. You need to surrender and let the universe fight your battles, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You need to clear up your mindset. You don't need to engage with this group of people. Could also be in your workplace that this group of people are bullying on you. This group of people are gossiping and spreading lies and rumors about you. If you have burdens in your mind and in your heart, you need to surrender it to the Divine Most High. Because for some of you guys, maybe this group of people are still bothering on your mind. You need to clear up your mindset, to rest and calm your mind, if this is your energy. But for most of you, you don't care about this group of people anymore. You look, you are the Nine of Pentacles. You are focusing on yourself, your stability. You are pampering yourself. You are enjoying your freedom. You don't need others to validate you. Because you don't need this group of people. Especially these low vibes people. These people whose life are evolving the lives of other people. You knew your worth. You don't need this group of people to validate you. Could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, because this is the energy of an Aquarius, the Five of Swords. Could also be that this person is in your community, in your neighboring area. And there are also people who are conniving this person, who embody the energy of an Aquarius. They are gossiping and spreading lies and rumors about you. And that's why this is your challenge. You don't need to engage this group of people. Be strategic, be skeptical, analytical, and logical, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. That's why this is your challenge in this reading. Because I feel like this group of people are waiting on you, that you are going to react. Because they are jealous on your aura. They couldn't stand your energy. You are the Nine of Pentacles. You look, you are vibrancy, you are glowing, you are independent and very confident. And aside from that, you have a financial success and stability. Or you are heading, they knew that you are heading into a financial success and stability. And that's why they want to harvest your energy. You look, they want to create conflict on you. And this is your challenge, not to engage with these low vibes people. The backstabbers, the manipulators, the people who are not happy and insatiable with their own lives. They are only jealous on your aura. Disengage and surrender this group of people to the Divine Most High. This is your challenge. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Hangman. This is the spiritual lesson in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. I feel like you have an epiphanies here. For some of you, you have seen the truth and the intention of this group of people towards on you. That's why you are no longer engaging your energy. And they are feeling defeated. Because they want to harvest your energy. They want to create conflict in your life. This is a minimum of 5 persons. I never see all people hate you. And I feel like you have an epiphanies with this group of people. It could also be that this group of people are suffering in silence. Because all they want is to harvest your energy, to lower your vibes. And since you are no longer engaging with this gossiping, these people who wants to create conflict in your life, and that's why maybe they are suffering in silence. Actually, they want you to suffer in silence, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. That's why they want to harvest your energy. They want to put you in this mood, a fighting mood, in order for you to awaken your vibes, your energy, And because you managed to disengage your energy, you managed to choose your battles wisely, they are feeling defeated and they are suffering in silence. Why the Scorpio are no longer engaging with our drama and conflict? Why Scorpio never reacted? It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of either a Pisces or an Aquarius wants you to sacrifice. They love you to see you struggling or sacrificing because of jealousy and envy. You look, this is your aura. They couldn't stand your energy. You look. Jealousy and envy is the reason majority of this person or group of people. Either you are dealing with an Aquarius or a Pisces. Take only what fits in your story. Others of you guys, if this is related in your workplace, this group of people wants you to suffer. For whatever reason, the same reason. Envy and jealousy. You look, they couldn't stand your energy. Your spirit irritates their demons. You are very confident. You are independent. And aside from that, you are magnetic. And that's why they couldn't stand with your aura. For some of you, maybe you are still in this workplace where people are trying to bully you, gossiping, and spreading lies about you, slandering your name. Others of you, you are sacrificing because you don't want to resign in this workplace because you have a monthly bills to pay. And it could also be that you are scared that you cannot find another job. And you are sacrificing with these low vibes people. These haters, these backstabbers, manipulators, these low vibes energy co-worker. If this is in your workplace, either you are dealing with an Aquarius or a Pisces. It could also be that this person is now feeling stuck, feeling like in a limbo because they are confused. Why? Whatever they did to you, they couldn't imagine that you are embodied the energy of the Nine of Pentacles, when in fact they want to destroy you. You look, and now they are feeling stuck while you are vibranting, while you are having a financial success and stability. And they knew as well that you are going to be in this energy, to be the Nine of Pentacles, that the success is coming your way. That's why they couldn't stand it. You look. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Nine of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Double confirmation. You look. Because the Nine of Cups normally is a Pisces energy. Could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces or a group of people. This person or a group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. I don't know who is this person in your life. You are going to receive the fulfillment of your dreams here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is your wish is being granted. So be very careful what you are wishing for, because your wish here is being granted. And others of you, it could also be that you are feeling contented with your life, of what you have. This person or this group of people viewed you that you are living in a lavish life, that you are living in a hedonistic way of life, and that's why they are feeling confused how you manage that, when in fact in the past, you look, they tried to mock you down, and now you are no longer engaging your energy to them They are confused. Why Scorpio? You look, we want Scorpio to sacrifice. We want Scorpio to isolate, to get stuck. And now Scorpio come out as the Nine of Pentacles, and also your wish is being granted, and they knew that as well, and that's why they couldn't stand your energy. You look, this is your challenge. They want to bully you, they want to attack you. That's why be very careful. You need to be strategic and surrender this to the Divine Most High, because of jealousy and envy. Nowadays, jealousy and envies are very rampant. And you have a wish fulfillment. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Pisces. And this person is a lazy person. This person is always drinking. It could also be that this person viewed you as their wish fulfillment. This person could be your ex or a new person. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Ten of Cups. This is the present scenario. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces or a Cancer. You look. 3 times confirmation. The Hangman, the Nine of Cups, and the Ten of Cups is embodied the energy of either Pisces or a Cancer. Could also be a fellow water sign. But normally this is Cancer or Pisces, because this is related to home and family. This person viewed you as a marriage material. This person wants to have an established and harmony relationship with you, to be the mother or the father of their kids. This person wants to propose you a marriage proposal. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. You look. This person viewed you as their happily ever after, or this is your feelings towards to this person. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. If you are single, this person wants to offer you a commitment. If you are already married, Scorpio, this person wants to celebrate with you, wants to support you. Could also be that this person wants to return. Maybe you have a misunderstanding or grudges with this person, and this person wants to celebrate with you, to offer you a cup of love, because this person viewed you as their home. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be that this person is in your family. Could also be in your workplace. Could also be in your friend circle. Could also be in the community. Or your ex. I don't know who is this person. But this person wants to return to celebrate with your success because you have her. You look. Or this person is entitled with your success. This person wants to celebrate with you. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the King of Swords. This is the future energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. Could also be a person who has an authority. Could be a lawyer or a person who has a higher position in the state. I feel like this is your energy for most of you. You are very logical. You are standing in your higher self. You are so strong. And aside from that, you knew the truth, and you are not scared to tell the truth. You are not also scared to cut off the ties of the people who are playing mind games on you, who are betraying you, who are backstabbing you. Those people who are not true to you behind your back. And I feel like for some of you, people viewed you as a cold-hearted person. It's because you have learned your lesson in the past. You don't want to engage with people who are trying to control your life without any reason. those manipulators, those gaslighters, backstabbers, those who are lying on you. For some of you, you cut off the ties of this group of people or this person. And you also block on your social media and in your mobiles. You detach your energy to this person or group of people in the past. Because you knew the truth and you knew exactly what are the intentions of this group of people towards on you. If somebody wants to come to you, you will tell to these people, either you come to me with the truth and clarity or you don't come to me at all. Because you are very tired and sick with all their lies and BS. Enough is enough. And that's why you are standing in your higher self. You look, you have gone through. These people are the people who wants to engage you in a psycho war, bullying, conflict, fighting. And that's why I fully understand you if you give this group of people a silent treatment or you cut off the ties of this group of people. I fully understand you if you give this group of people a cold-hearted action. A cold-hearted shoulder. Yeah. And this is your energy. This is the future energy. You are very strong. Others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of the King of Swords. This person could be a lawyer or having an authority in the state, a possession in the state, having an authority. I don't know who is this person, could also be a lawyer. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here, sorry, the Page of Swords. This is your attitude. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. But normally, the Page of Swords is embodied the energy of a Gemini. Or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. I feel like this is your energy. You are very defensive. Maybe you are going to receive a delayed communication here. And this person is spying on you far from a distance. This could be your stalker. This person is gathering information about you through your social media. This person find ways on how to approach and to communicate with you. This person could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. The universe advises you to be strategic, to think first before you act. It's because I feel like you have stalker. This person could be your ex or a new person. I don't know who is this person in your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You look, you need to be very strategical and analytical. This is your previous card, the King of Swords. Maybe there is a connection with this person who are stalking on you, who are spying on you. Maybe there is a connection with this person who embodied the energy of the King of Swords. This person has an authority. Could be that this person is a lawyer and this person gathering some information about you in order for them to have an exhibit in the court. Yeah, to have an evidence, because they are gathering an information about you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that there is a connection with this, could be a lawyer. Take only what fits in your story, okay? The universe advises you to be very strategical, analytical, skeptical, and logical in this scenario, because somebody is spying on you. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Six of Swords. This is the outside influence. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. Sorry. double confirmation. The Five of Swords is embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Could also be other sign. You managed to move on with this painful scenario in the past where people are causing too much burdens in your mind and pain in your heart. You realize that let bygones be bygones. For some of you, you are moving into a sunny side of the world. Others of you, you are overcoming these burdens. You are detaching your thoughts to this scenario, because this is your decision to move on, to leave the painful situation in the past. Others of you, you overcome the troubles with this group of people. You are moving into calmer shores. It could also be that you are still seeing with this person or group of people, but in your mind, you already detached. Could be an Aquarius. Could also be a group of people, includes Aquarius. This is the outside influence in this reading. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Death. This is your hopes and fears in this reading. The Death is your major arcana, number 13. So pay attention with the number 13. It could also be that there is a significant meaning with this number. For some of you guys, this is the metamorphosis of your life. It could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio, and you end up this scenario. You shed your skin. You are not the same person before. This is a major and huge transformation in your life. This is painful transformation, but beautiful. The end and the beginning, the Alpha and the Omega, where you manage to leave the people who are no longer serve you in the past. This is a spiritual transformation, because in the past you realize that there is nothing left for you behind. Life goes on, and that's why this is the time for you to harvest and to collect what belongs to you. My beautiful souls, Scorpio, you are the phoenix rising from the ashes. Whatever belongs to you, this is the time. Whatever you have, what do you call this? You have created, or you are, maybe you are working hard in the past. This is the harvest time. You look. It could also be that there are people in the past who are taking your inheritance or your belongings, and this is the right time to collect what belongs to you. And I feel like there are lots of people who are scared on you. You look, you are very strong. You are embodied the energy of the King of Swords, plus you are the Death and the Tarot cards. There are lots of people are scared on you because you are strong. I never say all. Those people who mess you up are scared on you. You look. They will say, oh, Scorpio, please spare me. Because I feel like this group of people are also awakened. They have seen the truth of who you are. Maybe in the past they are misjudging you. These people who mess you up, but you don't care anymore. It could also be that there is a separation here, a loss or an upheaval. But this is your major transformation. The metamorphosis of your life. Painful but beautiful. This is your hopes and fears in this reading. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And the final outcome of this reading as the Page of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. It could also be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Not necessary. Could also be other sign. This is your energy. You are very excited. You are enthusiastic. You are very fiery. You have a passion and desire in your heart, and you are accepting this challenge. You are ready to take an action with this new creative spark. Could also be a new passion and desire. If this is related to an ideas or a creative spark, you want to work and to take an action with this new creative spark. That's because you want to align with your passion. And this is your energy. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Sagittarius. Could also be that this person is a young person. This person wants to give you a message. This person could be that there is a strong desire on you, or this person will offer you this new creative spark because this person viewed you as an energetic and enthusiastic person. Could be that this person is a young person or a person who has a young at heart, although this person is an adult. Could be a Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the depth in this reading. Why the depth here? Tell me more about the depth in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the depth in this reading? Please tell me more about the depth in this reading. Why the depth here? Show me the cards where I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The depth is clarified as Venus, love and beauty. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Taurus or a Libra, because Taurus and Libra's ruling planet is Venus. And this is the clarification of the depth. Maybe you are giving depth to this scenario. This related to love and beauty with this person. Could be a Taurus or a Libra, or a fellow Scorpio. And you manage to end up this situationship, this scenario, because you already transformed into a higher level. It could also be that this is related to love and relationship, because you already shades your skin. Could be that you are dealing with this person who embody the energy of either Libra, Taurus, or fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, okay? And clarify me please, why the King of Swords here? Tell me more about the King of Swords in this reading. The King of Swords is clarified as South Node. This is the old karma. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Double confirmation, because the Venus is also embodied the energy of either, Libra or Taurus. And I feel like this is related to the old karma. Maybe you have a past connection with this person. This is a repeated patterns, repeated cycle, because somebody has never learned their lessons. Maybe you are dealing with a Libra. Maybe you have a past connection with this person. Yeah. And it could also be that somebody here never healed the trauma in the past, and that's why this cycle is repeated until somebody learned their lessons. Yeah. Or it could also be that this is the time that you are going to receive the good karma for what this person did to you. Because the law of karma is what goes around comes around. You look, Altis karma is old karma. This is a German language astro card. Now this is the time that you receive the justice, because this is the King of Swords. This is related to the old karma, because you are going to have a justice here, the truth and the clarity related to this past scenario. Could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please why the Five of Swords here in this reading. The Five of Swords is clarified as Steinbock Dishepen. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn or a lady boss. Because Steinbock is a German language which stands for Capricorn, the lady boss. And this is the clarification of the Five of Swords. Either you are dealing with a Capricorn or an Aquarius or a lady boss. It could also be that this person is slandering your name, gossiping lies and rumors about you. Includes a group of people. Could also be that this is bullying in the workplace. Could also be that this person is in your family. Could also be in your friend circle or in the community. You look, this person is or are in B with your aura, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because you embody the energy of the Nine of Pentacles. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. You are very confident and independent. And aside from that, they knew that you have, or you're on the way to have a financial success and stability. It's because of your legacy and your hard work. For some of you, you are already here in this scenario. You have a financial success and stability. And this person who embodied the energy of either Aquarius or Capricorn are envy and jealous of you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that this person is a lady boss. Not necessarily a Capricorn. Either Capricorn, lady boss, or an Aquarius. They couldn't stand your aura. That's why they want you to involve in this fighting, this conflict. That's why they keep spreading lies and rumors about you, because they couldn't stand your energy. You look, you are the Nine of Pentacles. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please, why the Nine of Pentacles here? Tell me more about the Nine of Pentacles here, please. The Nine of Pentacles is clarified as cribs before Sorge. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart, because cribs is embodied, is a German language which stands for Cancer. And this is the clarification of the Nine of Pentacles. Either you are dealing with Cancer or a Virgo. Could also be that this person, both of them, wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. Either they needs your financial support, or they want to nurture the relationship between you and them, because this person viewed you as a successful person. This person could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. You look, either a Virgo or a Cancer. Maybe this person as well is feeling entitled to your success. Take only what fits in your story. Others of this person, maybe they only wants your money. They are gold digger. They are breadcrumbs. Could be a Virgo or a Cancer. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And clarify me, please. Why the Nine of Cups here? The Nine of Cups is clarified as first house. This is an Aries. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries or you have an Aries in your birth chart. This is self-identity. Yeah, look. This is the Ten of Cups. Could also that this person is in your family and this person wants to have a harmonious relationship with you. Wants to celebrate with you, to return if you have grudges on this person. Or if you are single, this person wants to commit you, to offer you a marriage proposal. Could be an Aries. But if you are married, this person wants to patch up the grudges between you and them, because this person feeling home in your energy. This person wants to have a harmonious relationship with you. Could be an Aries. Could also be other sign, either Aries or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Hangman in this reading. Why the Hangman here, please? The Hangman is clarified as Buggy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Either you are dealing with a Libra or a Pisces. It could also be that in the past, this person wants to see you sacrifice, or they want you to sacrifice with them. This person in the past wants to isolate you, wants to trap you. Could be a Libra or a Pisces. And now, I feel like you are going to receive the justice here. The truth, the honesty, and the clarity with this person. Because this person now is feeling trapped, feeling confused. This person now is suffering in silence. Could be a Pisces or a Libra. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, please, the Page of Swords here. The Page of Swords is clarified as the 10th house. Career and success. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And I feel like this person is spying on you far from a distance, because this person wants to communicate with you, gathering some information and ways on how to communicate and approach you. Either an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or a Capricorn. This is related to career and your success. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Clarify me, please, the 10 of Cups here. Why the 10 of Cups in this reading? The 10 of Cups is clarified as sextile, chances on Gelegenheit. This is a German language. Astro card sextile. This is chance and opportunities and possibilities. Yeah, look, this is the clarification of the 9 of Cups. Could also that this person wants to have another chance with you. Another possibilities, another chance in a relationship or in a connection. Could be that you are dealing with a Pisces or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. And this person wants to have a new, fresh start, to return, to reconcile, and to celebrate with you. Because I feel like this person now is feeling stuck. This person now is feeling like in the limbo, feeling isolated and trapped. Maybe this person is now drinking too much. This person viewed you as their wish fulfillment. And this person wants to have another chance with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be a Pisces. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.